Abrante ba ko yi ni ti say opeso to ogina NDC anemu or Kwabra East. Honorable Sakid Umar. That's the same. Yes, you're from Kwabra JJ.
Yes, that's the brand.
Okay. And we are wild to say JJ.
Yes, it's a baby on my nedru no.
And I you JJ person.
Baby. Baby on my nedru no. You hear vibrant youth are will take over.
Take over.
I'm share, me go for share. Say they make my own
Kwabra JJ. No matter Kwabra JJ.
No matter me Kwabra JJ.
Wow. Now, why do you want to be a parliamentary candidate for NDC or Kwabra JJ?
This is not my first time.
What happen?
Yeah, in the 2020 elections.
When are
me oppose.
Okay.
And I was here in the 2020 elections now. Me buy no my home keka kosro.
Okay.
Your vote in the 2016 election there somewhere 12,000 parliamentary. But me buy in the 2020 elections so almost 23,000.
23,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Almost about 10,000 increment.
So that's huge.
Yes. Me who say currently so when you be obeti my Kwabra East. Esi was say the SFata a bit me a match MPP boot for boot a bit me one day abeji seat no e Kwabra East no and I was sami ho a wonya obia
go ahead
and I was sami ho a wonya obia if you say currently me na me the brand are youth who say Debbie
Papa what has been your work at Kwabra with the youth with the people saying on your matna
yes Edin kind me you see this opportunity that me bosses biase
no problem
be say Kinzuba from the regional national executives and constituency executives so we share me a relationship with the youth me call Kumasi High School
okay
and I'm say them ran city
that's right
me work now me a sports prefect so when it comes to entertainment in certain things me be a me do hakotene me call KNUS so me general sports secretary of the school
okay
and many youth
they bad good day man
yes many good youth ne the vibe no ho and I back to the constituency Sala Gala Xmas Gala you know me organize my youth no ya and I'm young no youth empowerment here there eda makoma so into the advice bi ho na opportunity be pie na ma pie we akwhye ho we ho na ma na ism said the youth no be fa to my parent afra said there previously and said the devil finds work for the what other hand
that's right
and I be sure the youth ni bibia certain things
Kwabra mo after TFM my how pa
say Mr. G demonstration bra tamambe no me a sportsman and I mean say the government projects here so what they want say car park now won't mean be within a certain span that what be high youth no people and say bra mo be no say that's not the right place for that and ke yonko people be outskirts nye eno kra na ebe ma ye pass na eden address eno ti ko hu ohene mamponte hene say one my baby o my place and time kra na bridge bi o my iska say emfanye bridge na koye no ho ba ye kasa ya eye demonstration o menti no o mo do o nsa ko kan ene ne no
adane bosom
pardon
you say adane bosom
yes adane bosom my ho ene enye eno kwa be 3 packs Kwabra for ye youth na bia go so ma say na almost say ehwa de mamponte aso ma so de
why is it that you can't have SOMPA 3.1 ebi or 3
yes
ebi or 2 na say just wo ko hu o master tef mu na mu bia no asenso wo miensa bo say nya won de ko boy wo ko boy defense just say I'm finding it hard though because genuinely I can't fathom why just one AstroTurf granting me P or Kwabra. Baby or bobo no anwea bi esegu on sapiti bi aye bo and a sea park so boys need to be more balls.
It shows how MPP do Kwabra. Yes, and I a member of parliament, you know, she's now other moving to bring all these things on board. And I'm the youth authority. We now on a chairperson. And could be a chairperson and can list. Also with me move, with me pushy. Now when you be one casa constituency bar, we are not seeing that. And in the 2020 maybe I know youth who say no, say Obiama now walk Kwabra and because going through my background, maybe I'm feeling baby I may almost say see I know the
it's NDC we'll call almost delegates no, from branch to constituency to ward, you know. What are they telling you?
One interesting thing is in the 2020 election, before 2020 elections, Kwabra East NDC Eda obeye 6 months. Ebra Ashanti region yina obia constituency bia yi parliamentary candidates. Ashanti Kwabra East da obeye 6 months. Na yenye parliamentary candidates bia. And some of the constituency executives be home say omo hweme me youth a it me die ni ma e be ma youth ni na yede about on board. And as we check the current vote pattern in Ghana, youth na yede
oh yes about 54%.
And mbe lead so parliamentary vote is somewhere 12,000, maybe about almost 23,000. Presidential somewhere about 13,000, made up almost 25,000. And as we hear in the 2020 election, party no opposition, COVID or lockdown or but metima pulling resources are you way there going forward when the opportunity is given to me. Who say I'm the right person. I met me a lady Kwabra. So me kwa the almost meet me share say kwa na horrible en kasambre the obey ye hu na besa to also am who e de Kwabra.
They say you have a contest. How many?
2 people.
And on my you omuti. Oh okay. And just emra more dino. No be any ho.
Ebi kura mo so mo na ye previously campaign managers.
Campaign managers
previous parliamentary candidates.
And I feel not why is it that the 2020 or man you omuti?
So mo say abe to be the chance there.
Oh okay. Honorable Sakid Umar, Kwabra JJ.
Yes.
And so you are hopeful this time, Saturday, come, everything, you are taking the seat.
You'll be the first person I'll call. After sorting and count, I'll just call You'll be the first.
And you want to win massive?
I'm winning massively.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, Monsa Kamo album?
Yes, yes, I can.
Mukuta list of people
yes,
on the Twaba
Nina. Album, come on.
The course you can say, Mu party. I say, Bimuyam Shishomo. Not 13 to hearing from the secretary assuring, say, Munina Monaso, 50 Fiabequetino. It's heartwarming anyway, but the course,
dear mechanic say, Yepapanum, Munina, we are senior men in the party. Mamunya Bathramaya. Especially Copnado 4. When a battle be one gets from afar, not even say we and shed a battle money. So they should put the interest of the party first.
Okay.
Now, more interest in see the party and be funded to my buying. After and a yen episode of power to me free obey MPP ho. Inti sa what team are coming and saying,
so my bit my
MY, inti yes, rare papa. So when you have
okay. Honorable Sakid Umar, Kwabra JJ. Can we be chair delegates or mutio?
Delegates there. Makadada, my talk Kwabra nyina aye campaign at Romo, and I make assurance on the amameno. Mpese Saturday on the 13th. Omuina they should come out in their numbers. Numbers munyam. And among Kaise in the 2020 elections, Yebeko 20 Kwabra is the 6 months. Obie ni wa yi no neti
oba be fa be boa
and omo mpenifo no bi omo party na ba power ma omo position krada yes ba a brand here from school my belly my take and my take parliamentary vote and omo de boa me my take parliamentary votes from 12,000 to almost 23,000 and a presidential from 13,000 to almost 25,000 and omo pe obi a very skilled the Kwabra East NDC almost have
okay, definitely. Kwabra mixed. Ti Kasabe na oti a become almost what they make out as they was what Kasante.
Okay.
So the other languages are be about kumienu bia omo on se bia obu onu a wo kan atwi ni nyina on se dante ni ye. Kasabe na aka che no.
Kwabra so Hausa for door.
That's right.
If you say currently woko enhwa zongo Mampontin zongo ne medoma asunia na aboaso modos don shi abinda nake so mfadi ne na rokan delegates duka ndera ne ya kai Saturday ko ya fito amma ramin baya a vote mu sheku yi tunani kamar in the 2020 elections lokacin da ake neman parliamentary candidates Kwabra East ba mu samu ba manyan da suka lead mu duka ko ya jinye ne na fito na zo na kama Kwabra East na kai cikin na kai ku zabe kuma da na zo ba wai bai yi kokari bai na yi kokari na take parliamentary votes from somewhere 12,000 to almost 23,000 bai taba faruwa cikin Kwabra ba kuma na take presidential vote from 13,000 to almost 25,000 kuma ba parliamentary candidate da ya taba win hometown shi amma da naso in the 2020 elections in ka duba abuwa so we won by 544 votes shi abrim kuma mu win by 247 votes don shi ana abdan wanda dai rescue Kwabra East in ka wuce ne ba ka samun kowa idan na kai na son koya fito ya zo mara mai baya
I was thinking about Yamin Cow. The last one, I will my